Gotta do a roof shot. Main line's clogged up, they have no clean outs. So if you go up on the roof and look down the vent, you see water down there. You see that little reflection? If you get a good flashlight, it'll reflect off the water. You see water down there, that means it's clogged up. So because I have a septic right there, where that white cap is, I don't want to get my cable stuck in there. So I run a spade bit with a kind of a swivel head. This usually gets the job done. So I just went down there and had to flush some toilets. You see there's no reflection, the water is flowing. And you will be able to hear once it drops. Once you hit that blockage, you'll feel it on the cable. And then go a little further. I usually stop the machine to see if I can hear it drop. You have a septic tank, you don't want to go too far. Septic is right there. So you would think maybe this goes down 10 feet. Kind of have to estimate how far. You don't want to go into that septic and get your cable wrapped in there. That's the dangers of, that's why we always ask if your customer has a septic or you want to look in the streets to see if they have manholes. So they flush twice, it's flowing, and we're all good to go.